How to use Mystro app. So this is the app you're looking for. It's called Mystro Driver, Dry and Deliver. I'm surprised this app is not yet in top charts. I think it's a really amazing idea. So if you're like an Uber driver or Lyft driver, Uber Eats delivery driver, definitely install this app. It can help you to boost earnings up to 30%. How it works is just basically, if you signed up for all of these services like Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Amazon Flex, you can combine all of these accounts in one Mystro app, and then you can only select the best offers. So automatically go offline on other apps when you accept a ride or delivery, automatically come back online on other apps when your trip is done. So use filters to auto accept only the best offers based on job type, fare, distance, earnings per hour, and more. You can also configure Mystro app to auto decline the offers that don't pass your filters. View secret rideshare and delivery hotspots in your area. So basically, if you're using this app correctly, you can boost your earnings like 20%, even 30% just out of nowhere. I really recommend you because, you have only limited amount of hours per day, and you better use them wisely. So yeah, definitely cool app. You can set up all these advanced filters like just fare price, price by mile, search bonus, search multi, total pay, and only accept those deals and then just go offline on other apps. So yep, that's basically, and then you just go in here, you need to link all of your accounts like Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Flex, DoorDash. Some people just starting from Uber and Lyft, just to easily compare, and switch between Uber and Lyft, what's better. Also, it's popular to link DoorDash here, and then yep, that's basically how you can just combine these three apps together and just earn a bit more revenue for yourself. Yeah, pretty cool app. I didn't know this existed. I'm not like Uber driver myself. I just heard about this app. So yep, that's just what it is. Then there are some additional subscriptions which they have. So that's just what you have here. So yep,